How to draw strawberry lemonade. Hey, learn how to draw hub crew. So for the first step in making our strawberry lemonade today, we're going to begin by making the bottom of our glass. Now on the left and right side, we're going to make one long line going up and down. Nice job! Now let's go ahead and use one curved line to connect those two lines that we just made. Now on the very top we have an opening, so let's use a curved line to connect those two lines up top. Great start, learn how to draw hub crew. Now right above our glass, we're going to begin to make one straw that will be coming out. Now directly to the right of our straw, we're going to begin to add in a strawberry. Nice job, this is coming along very well. Now at the very top, we're going to begin to make the top of our glass. Now if you would like a moment to catch up, you can go ahead and pause the video right here. Now along our straw, we're going to begin to add in some stripes. Later on in the video, we're going to color these in red. Nice job! Now we're almost done, but we're not done just yet. Let's go ahead and add in the outline of our strawberry lemonade inside of our glass. Now slightly above that outline that we just made, we're going to begin to add in the straw, which will be connected. This is how to draw a strawberry lemonade. Thank you for watching on How to Draw Hub. If you liked the video today, then go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Also, if you're not yet subscribed to the Learn How to Draw Hub YouTube channel, then go hit that button right now. Awesome. Let's go ahead and color our drawing together.